Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get better at Fortnite. Practice makes perfect when it comes to building. When you are tired of getting eliminated in Battle Royale and have extra playtime on your hands, try out Creative and Playgrounds. You can watch your friends duel against each other, understand the building techniques they are using. Some common patterns including platform to ramp to wall or left wall to right wall to ramp. You can see how quickly they build and then practice. If it is your first time, go slow and try to build as much as you can without making mistakes. You can use a timer and record your times to track your building speed. Identify mistakes you are making and working on improving them. Start memorizing the building inputs. These will vary based on the platform you are playing on. For example, on Builder Pro with a controller, the ramp is L2, the platform is R1, the pyramid is L1, and the wall is R2. Keep in mind the map technique. You can memorize your building inputs, accelerate your building speed, and practice consistently. When it comes to building, opponents may suddenly become aggressive. If you get eliminated, it is okay. Learn from the best, strive to improve, and you will become a better player. If you're wondering how someone shot you out of the sky or killed you from a distance, it is similar to building skills. Try out Creative or Playground. Create an island, place targets, and practice shooting. You can review each weapon's description and learn their damage capabilities. See how many targets you can eliminate without reloading in under 10 seconds. You can invite friends to play Zone Wars or Sniper One Shot to test your accuracy. This includes how far you can deal damage, your shooting speed, and consistency. You can experience the game mode Team Rumble. It differs from other modes as you are on a team aiming for 100 or 150 eliminations. The safe zone will move towards the end or middle of the map. If you seek early eliminations, drop towards the safe zone. If you prefer avoiding combat, land elsewhere to loot and return prepared. You can equip an assault rifle, sniper rifle, SMG, and shotgun. Determine which weapon suits you best. Can you eliminate a player from 98 meters away with an assault rifle or quickly with an SMG? Practice headshots as they deal the highest damage. Aim for the head to maximize your damage, but be aware of your accuracy. If you consistently hit body shots, adjust your strategy with SMG and shotgun combinations. Take your time when aiming. This is known as hard scoping and can be effective, especially at long distances with sniper rifles, assault rifles, or SMGs. Practice in Creative and Playground. Avoid Team Rumble due to the high number of players. To edit, hold the right button on your controller. On PC, hold the edit key, which you can customize. Master useful edits, such as creating a door on a wall or a pyramid. These edits can make a difference in crucial moments, like in the final stages of a solo match. Many players edit platforms to surprise opponents with a shotgun or assault rifle. Start by practicing with platforms and pyramids. Pyramids can provide cover or be used to hide by crouching inside after editing. Then move on to editing walls. Editing walls requires quick reactions to prevent opponents from replacing your structures. Learn to edit ramps. Ramps are more complex due to their three-dimensional editing options. They can become stairs or be reversed from their original direction. Combining platforms, pyramids, and ramps allows for quick maneuvering. This is more challenging, so start with the basics. In a solo match, try landing on a building without using the stairway. You can place a platform on the side of the building and edit your way down safely to avoid fall damage. Or, when boxed in with a ramp for protection, edit the stairway and pull out your shotgun for eliminations. Editing is crucial in 1v1s, building battles, and every aspect of Fortnite Battle Royale. So get out there, build the biggest structures, or create apartments with doors and windows. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.